All right, everyone, back again with a super simple and easy sauce recipe. This is a sweet and smoky honey barbecue sauce. This is a request from a subscriber. So like I've said before, if you guys want to see any videos, just please like and subscribe to the channel, comment down below and let me know what you want to see, and I will try and make those videos for you in the future. But that being said, let's go ahead and get into this one. All right, so in a medium saucepan, 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of honey. Then we're gonna go in with 2 cups of ketchup. And then half a cup of vinegar. I'm using apple cider, but you can use white vinegar if you want. Then we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or however you wanna say that, a half a tablespoon of liquid smoke, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of ground mustard, a half a tablespoon of celery salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper. And then we are just going to turn the heat up to a medium high. Give everything a mix, make sure that everything is melted and incorporated, and we're gonna bring that up to a simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, all of those ingredients that are listed that I said, you can easily adjust those to your liking. If you want it spicier, you can add more black pepper. If you want it smokier, you can add more liquid smoke. If you want it more garlicky, you can add more garlic powder. It's all up to you, but that is how I made it, and it is very, very delicious. So please give this recipe a try, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.